Hello, welcome to lesson 12 of the Beginner Blues Guitar series. This lesson will look at a minor blues. We'll go through a minor blues in A, or better said, a blues in A minor. Until now, all the blues we played was counted in 4. A blues can be counted in 4 or 6. A minor blues is often counted in 6. Let's listen to the difference. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. We'll play the minor blues in 6. First, we'll play it using standard open chords, like A minor, D minor, E minor. After that, we'll play it using bar chords, A minor, D minor, and E minor. The chord scheme is almost the same as a normal major blues. The difference is that in a minor blues, you use minor chords. So we'll play the minor blues in 6 and we'll use the following rhythm. We have a downstroke on the 1 and we have a muted short downstroke on the 4, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next step is to learn to play this using bar chords. Bar chords are not easy but essential. It takes time to learn them. If bar chords are new to you, or if you are having trouble making them sound properly, please look at my video how to play bar chords. You can find them in my channel. You can search for how to play bar chords or how to play bar chords on guitar. thank you for watching again. Next time we'll talk about playing solo on the minor blues. I hope to see you then. Bye.